Would you want to have some money for your buy interruption account? Well, I'm here and I will give for you. But before we get to that, I know also as you're here, you probably are struggling trading buy interruption. And you know what? I'm here to help you. Most people, actually 98% of you, are losing money trading at pocket option or other brokers. And I am here to help you. And you know what? Even as a beginner, from that you will start to make money. So stick through this video and I will explain to you how you can start to make money today. Okay, so let's get to it. I will now log in here. Actually, we are logged in. It's just to push trade now. He will now load up the trading platform. So as you can see, I have quite a lot of accounts here. I do have some demo accounts also, as you can see. I have a Forex demo account, I have a share demo account, but I have more real accounts. You can see I have a Forex real MT4, I have a Forex account for MT5, I know here for $1,000, and of course I have my real account up here for buy interruption. I have a very specific way of trading, and I will explain to you also how you can start to make money with me. And in the end, I will also get to how you can get money from me. So stick through the video. Now, let's just mark a specific area down here. I would say here will be an area I will take the trade and I will explain. Let's mark it a little more properly around there. Now, what I'm doing, I'm looking. I do not trade every support and resistance. I pick the best ones. So a best one, for example, here, see here, I count, okay? We are on the top, 1 winner, 2 winner, 3, 4, 5, 1 loss. 5 winners, 1 loss. Let's start again. We go above, 1, 2, let's count this as a loss, 3 winners against 2 losers, we still make money. Not much, but okay. We came again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and no losses. So you can see this area here is an area we want to be trading. Now, here is how you, as a beginner, you don't even need to think about these lines yourself. I trade live and you can join me. Use the first link that you find below the video and you will then be able to join me. Actually, it's the second link, second link below the video. You will then come to a site that looks like this. Let me see. It looks like this. You will come here. Let's just wait. Let it load up. Then you go here. You choose pocket option. You get 50% extra, by the way, if you deposit more than $100. So if you deposit 100, you get $150 account. How cool is that? So sign up there, takes you a couple of minutes, costs nothing to be a part of my live session. You can then join me. We trade 1 hour live every single week, and you can trade with me and copy what I'm doing. And I explain why I take the trades and all this good stuff. So you have a good opportunity to trade with one that I've traded for a long time, and you can learn from me and why I choose specific areas, and suddenly you start to get a grip of it and you can trade by yourself also. So make sure you take advantage of this. Now, another part that you also were waiting for, I do give away $25 for you. Okay, so deposit more than $50 and I will give you $25 back. Okay, that will be the first link that you find below the video. Okay, I will make that link special, by the way. That link will be, so if you deposit $50 there, okay, this is something that I won't do this week, by the way. So $50 there, you even get 50% extra. So when you deposit 50, you get a count of 75. I give you back $25. That means you deposit basically in the end, when you get my money back, you only deposit 25 to get a count of 75. And do you know what? I will even let you trade together with me. So for just $25, you can have a count of 75, and you can also join me and trade together with me. So how you do that? First, deposit using the first link below the video. That will be the first link. And you will then deposit $50 or more, up to you. You will get $25 back, okay? Then comment below the video. I will then reply to your comment. I will figure out where you would like to talk with me. That can be in Reddit, can be in Telegram, can be in whatever media you prefer. And in that media we can chat very fast. There's nothing much there. You just tell me your cryptocurrency account, wallet account. We will probably use USDT because it's cheap to send. And I send you $25 right after I confirm that you did the deposit. So there you have it. So make sure you take advantage of this, because to deposit, basically in the end, when you're done with everything, you only use $25 to get 75, plus you can trade together with me. You will not get a better chance than this to change your life. So make sure you take advantage, and I hope I see you in my next live session for Pocket Option. Have an amazing day.